Hey there, I'm just back from a cruise, and one of the destinations we stopped at was St. Thomas in the U.S. Virgin Islands, where one of the tourist attractions you have to check out is the Skyride to Paradise Point. So just a short walk from the cruise port in St. Thomas is the Skyway to Paradise Point. It's a gondola system that takes you all the way up the side of a mountain to Paradise Point, where there are spectacular views of the harbor below, all the yachts that are parked down there. You get to see your cruise ship. It's about 700 feet up, and I'm telling you, the views are, like I said, spectacular. So it costs $25 per person to take the Skyway up. It's about 3.5 minutes up, 3.5 minutes back. But while you're up there, get your camera out, take plenty of pictures, soak up the view. You can also grab a drink and some food at the restaurant that's up there as well. My first cruise was back in 1994 on Royal Caribbean's Sovereign of the Seas, where one of the ports we visited was St. Thomas. And guess what? I had this very picture taken in this same spot at Paradise Point. Check it out. So when I was here the other day, guess what? I had to recreate the photo. Definitely check it out if you're there. Zoom.